Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Plutochain token. Ticker symbol is Pluto. Now this token is live for pre-sale on their own webpage, plutochain.io. Some of these ICOs, these initial coin offerings that tokens have on their own webpage, can be kind of sketchy, so we're going to have a look at their audit. They actually have two different audits, it says here. Let's see if I can actually click on them though. And we're going to go over the information on what is Plutochain and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it says, welcome to Plutochain, the future of Bitcoin Layer 2. Plutochain is a state-of-the-art Layer 2 solution that aims to address the scalability challenges faced by Bitcoin. By leveraging advanced scaling mechanisms such as state channels, side chains, and blockchain rollups, Plutochain enhances transaction speeds and reduces fees, making Bitcoin more accessible and efficient for users worldwide. Why built on Layer 2? Well, for scalability, Layer 2 solutions have the potential to significantly boost transaction throughput and alleviate congestion in the main blockchain, allowing for a higher number of transactions to be processed per second. Number 2, reduce transaction costs. L2 solutions often achieve lower transaction fees by processing transactions off-chain or in a separate chain, and this cost effectiveness benefits users who engage in transactions. Swift confirmation, so transactions conducted on Layer 2 can be confirmed much more rapidly than those on the main chain, and this enables instant payments and advances the overall user experience. Interoperability. Many Layer 2 solutions are intentionally designed to be compatible with multiple L1 blockchains, facilitating cross-chain interoperability. Now the token here, the Plutochain token, it says, welcome to the heart of the Plutochain ecosystem, the Pluto governance token. As the cornerstone for the platform, Pluto empowers community members to shape the future of Plutochain. Ticker symbol is Pluto. Token is on the Ethereum blockchain. Total supply, 300 million Pluto tokens, 18 decimal places. And it says token claiming and listing will occur once the sale has concluded. Now, the Pluto token utilities. The Pluto token is an integral part of the Plutochain ecosystem, serving key functions like governance. Token holders can participate in decentralized governance by voting on network upgrades, protocol changes, and other important decisions, giving them a voice in the future direction of Plutochain. As a governance token, Plutochain's tokenomics will be designed to decentralized Plutochain, implementing other crucial upgrades, and they're subject to community governance to ensure a fully decentralized system. Now, how the token is allocated, we have 20% of the tokens going to pre-sale, 35% going to marketing, 20% development, 5% founding team, and 20% reserve. Now, they have the address on their document section. It says, Plutochain implements robust security protocols and undergoes regular security audits to protect users' funds and ensure the integrity of the platform. And this includes smart contract development, code reviews, and vulnerability assessments. Plutochain is committed to adhering to relevant regulatory requirements and industry standards to maintain transparency and trust within the community. Compliance measures are implemented to safeguard users' interests and maintain legal compliance. So as a Pluto token holder, you have exciting power. Governance has been live on Plutochain from proposal submission to community review and voting. Every Pluto token holder plays a pivotal role in shaping the future of Plutochain. As a token holder, you can submit proposals aligned with Plutochain's mission and vision, whether it's about protocol upgrades, partnerships, or smart contract development. You could shape the future of Plutochain. You can submit proposals in the designated Discord ticketing channel, ensure proposals align with Plutochain's mission and vision, provide clear and concise information for community review. Submitted proposals enter the community review phase where all Pluto token holders review, provide feedback, and discuss implementations. Now, they have an audit on here, it says, by Solid Proof, so we could pull that up. And they also have one by AssuredDefi, and they also have one by Quill Audit. So they have 3 different audits on here. Now, how to buy, it says visit the Plutochain website, plutochain.io. I am going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual, so you guys can easily find this project. It says connect a supported wallet, you could use a Trust wallet or MetaMask wallet. And you could use Ethereum, it says, or BNB chain. So you'd fund your wallet first with one of those, and you could fund it from a central exchange. And there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So input the amount that you want to spend. It'll tell you how many Pluto tokens you get for that amount. Click buy now and approve the transaction. So they do have a step-by-step. You just follow that on their webpage or on their document section, docs.plutochain.io. Now they have their AssuredDefi audit here that you could check out here. I mean, there's so many audits here. This one's not KYC'd, but let me pull that up there, the custom page. And then we have this one right here. So it says, let's go over this. So this is the Solid Proof audit. It says owner cannot mint new tokens, cannot blacklist addresses, no high selfies, cannot be locked, cannot be burned, and ownership is renounced. So there is one low issue on here and one informational issue. So right away, there's a couple small issues I could see on their Solid Proof audit. So just be aware of that right off the bat. And yeah, so I mean, you can check out the other ones as well. But I mean, right away, if you can see that there is an informational and there's a low issue that have not been fixed or resolved, then obviously there's risks. So just be aware that there is risks involved with this pre-sale. There's risks involved in any pre-sale, but especially ones with risks in their audit. Now, if you go to their webpage, plutochain.io, there is a countdown to the next price increases. So they're going through rounds basically. And right now there's 18 hours, 35 minutes left, so it counts down. But the pre-sale is live on the webpage. They've been listed in all sorts of different news articles. And yeah, so go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.